to our channel. My name is Jur, and in today's video I am gonna show you how to make most delicious natural vanilla cake. Yes. Well, because of the coronavirus I can't go to Marty's house to record some videos, and he can't come to our house, my house, to record some videos as well. So I am gonna record today alone, and he will record some videos as well. Alright, I have here 200 grams of sugar. I have here 2 teaspoons of baking powder, some lemon juice, 200 grams of flour, a little bag of vanilla sugar, 4 eggs, and 200 grams of butter. Alright, what you want to do is just put the butter in the pan and let it melt. Just like this. And then stir it. Just let it stir till it isn't blocked anymore. Just wait. It takes maybe 3 minutes or so. Alright, the next thing we are gonna do. The butter is melt. Yes. So we put it in here. Now we put our sugar in it as well. And we're gonna stir till it gets fluffy and creamy. Once you have done that, you get an egg. You put it in as well, one by one. Then you just stir again till the egg is gone in the mixture, like this. The next one. There you go. And that you will do with all the eggs. Alright. The next thing you want to do is sift the flour with the baking powder. Just like this. Once you have done that, you will gonna stir. Make a good mixture of this. Just like this. And as last thing, you can add the vanilla sugar. Yes. Just like this. And you can add the juice as well. I will add the lemon zest, this kind of thing stuff. I did it with a rasp, just like this. So you put it in the mixture, just like this, and then mix it up. And your mixture is done. In the meanwhile, you have to heat up the oven on 180 Celsius. So you can do that in the mini oven. Alright, the next thing you want to do, you can use baking spray for spraying the sides, the bottom and the other sides. Or you can use butter, but I will use the spray. Just like this. And now you're gonna put in the mixture in a greased cake form. Searching for a good looking tool. Just testing. Alright, I will put in the cake form in the oven. And now we wait 60 minutes. And then your cake is, wow, done. Yeah. Alright, it's an hour later now. You can get it out of the oven. Hey, it looks like this. And now let it cool off a few minutes, and then you can get it removed from the greased baking tin. Alright, it did cooled off now. It's 30 minutes later. This is the end result. It looks very good. Now I'm gonna taste it as well. Thank you for watching. Leave it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And now this is the end result. So now I am gonna taste it. So good.